Hello guys, I want to record a new video today because a lot of you asked me if I'm still running the version 2. Of course I'm running it. Today it was a good day. I have $40. Let me show you the trades. A lot of trades for today. All of them are positive. The market was good. So for this version 2 I have only $41. Now let me go to the version 2.8. As you can see right now it is not trading because the range is too big. If I'm scrolling down, I have $181. This expert advisor is placed on VT Markets on ECN account, and I am paying some commissions, so here is the revenue, 168. Let me show you also the trades here, and I want to see something which is very important. Please take a look at the trades, but let me know if I am stupid or not. I am always telling you when the market starts, please do not trade in the first 30 minutes. I've told you 100 times, and take a look at me. I did not block myself. You have to go to the settings here, and here when the hour you need to change the times here. I did not block any hours because I wanted to also to see, but I have to block the hours because it is very important. Take a look in a few minutes how many losing trades I've got. Now let's go to the new version. This is version 2.8. For this one I have $263. It is on Poo Prime. It is a normal account. Let me show you the trades for today. Take a look. I don't know if this one has the minutes blocked. No, not even this one. I have to block the hours, but as you can see, a different provider, there are different things. Please take a look here. And of course it is another expert advisor. But let me scroll. A lot of positive trades. I'm quite happy with this new version. So next week you will find it on the download link I sent you before. Thank you very much. Bye bye.